Page kamsan tharing ginyen do sega phe bading leng sang malol ka su shi ye tharing anju dung gi thone inji jang gi lezen de chadi ye tharing gi dung ding anju lingua.com gi a2 ne che do ji an ki sileng ge chogi de chi khende yo padan dung gi thone inji jang de yo paina yen thong mun thine sirona thingyon la ki sileng ge chong anju channel thol thama thangbo page do chai duna kamsan ni ming la ki som si yo anju dunda ta ba phege thone inji jang gi nyen dung nga tang yo re sadawan ne pasang chi do chi ju shi de chege thol li yo re leng so phege sing ge yo padan phege thone inji jang de yo paina inji ngan channel thol subscribe na runa la so ta go chugi la so leng ngan go chugi thangbo dung ki ming la the pet store the pets na khari la yor shu paina ngan ki simjeng ka ches nang la so gau chini nyare do ju dwara thige la pet la gi yore store la na chunga ta thinde simjeng yosa gi chungan chicks ne che di a2 che go chugi indarwa George mina cho de thari George is at the pet store looking at what kind of pet he might want to get for his birthday. George pet chungan jigla simjeng yosa gi chungan jile yores korangi kegar chedla korangi simjeng kharin yogo image ta de yores. George asked if he could have a horse, but his parents said no because horses are too big. Tini George ki koran tajik nyona digirwala ni kejes tires ine yang kwe phamani kharilala tamanyo tape chimbo yorela res tatane khajedo first he sees dogs and cats tene thakwo gi chonga na la thangbo khita shimi thong res baby dogs are called puppies and baby cats are called kittens ki gi tugula puppy inge thone puppy lawa tha shimi tugula kitten lagres George likes them because they are easy to take care of and can play a lot. George kida shime digila pega yores kajin na khonju chimo yambe mangba chire an khonju dakbu ge sonyer che sojon che lel hau pe yores. But they will get bigger. George wants a small pet. ine yang khonjo imba ina kida shime ya chimbo cha durwa chejang George dige jingyo de chungwe mare khola pet chinju ji goyres semje chinju ji then George sees animals that have to live in a cage tini George ki korangi semjing khadiro tagir lana chara nangla shaya gi semjing ro tagres he sees takhu khare khare thong lana rabbits ribbon thongres guinea pigs ribbon da chichi gi kima rojo rangel heng sul thanda partung in the guinea pigs thongres thini mice chichi thongres mice are what you call more than one mouse ra chichi chigla mouse chigle mawala mice he likes these animals because they are small kui ki simjin dige lagagi yores khachinana denjo thama pe chinju yorwas birds live in cages too Chiu the chadige yang khare cage na chara na la digres George sees a parrot and a canary George ki parrot chik the canary chi thongres canary la na chachi regret the parrot la na nechola rangi thanda canary am partunginda he likes them all but he doesn't want to clean the cage kyuki dige changma ta chagi rig dige la birds I mean like parrots canaries dige la yang gi yores yine yang khare cage chara dige changma sunge thugo yo mares cheza rabbits guinea pigs ta mice ta birds che khonyo de chungo yo mares laso di nganju ki khare la warejina guinea pig la na thende jiore dijala di canary la chadire laso ta moving on ta ranja inderwa Okay, ta dine kajido George sees the animals in tanks. Tine tangi nangla dinge gi simje George ki thongres the tanks full of water have fish and turtles in them. Ra tangi chukang sha yuji gi nanglo la nya dang rube dige dus ra he thinks about a goldfish but decides he likes the turtles more. Kyugi goldfish chigi gala sernya jinyo washin samna dangre ine ya ku khare thaju churla na ku rube dige la manga gdu lani thaju chares there are also tanks with rocks and sands that have snakes spiders and scorpions but George is afraid of them Arwa ta tangi khashe chinang la khare urla do dang chema yo gi tangi dige nang la spiders dus thomda dus ani snakes dus burung budus tini digbara za scorpion dus ini yang George kariore afraid of them George digelape sheyores George likes the turtles best George ki mangshu khari garina rube gares but they won't fit in the little fish bowl ini yang khare turtle di ngajogi namgyu nya dasa gi thawen ro bol chi dwara dinang lo la shongumar takba shongumar la ro takba chi khol dei mare fit chi mares turtles need bigger tanks so they can swim sometimes and hide sometimes rube gi chedula tangi jyorwa tis chewa goyores samjam ko ju chuge samjam koran jo yip de gi chedula goyores George decides he wants to get a turtle for his birthday. Tini George ki khari decide chirlana kurangi ke garla turtle chinyogi rube chinyogis. He buys a book on how to take care of a turtle and a list of what type of turtles the store has. Tini George ki khari chirlana thep chinyores turtle dabu khandi chigoyore soyong khandi chigoyore korla thep chinyores ani chongang de nanglo la turtle giri khari khari me thinde yang thojilin res ding anjo gi tung chade ye ta ding anjo gi tung la pawe thiwa chilin khashi sur de chige indarwa thiwa thangbo what kind of pet did George want but his parents said no because they were too big George ki phama gi simje khu gi di nyugi la gyo de manyo di pe chembo yora la gyo simjen de khari re puppy kitten horse rabbit Kiptu re, shimtu re, ta re, rubun re. It's a horse, option C. Nipa, what kind of pet does not live in a cage? Chara nang la simjin madenge didi shine khagires. Rabbits, rubong, guinea pigs thangi parten suara tiche. Mice, mouse, tsitsi, tini goldfish. Sernya, chara nang la madenge di goldfish re rwa. Ko tang nang yana fish bowl nang di rwa. Ani sumba dinda. What kind of pet did not scare George? Di shi simjin shi di ginanglo ne George la di shi ne khagi she yo mareler scorpion, canaries, spiders, snakes. Digwaraja thangi cha seudi ani spider thomda thini burungbo. Khagire canaries chala ko she me o shemba sumgala she swara. Tamadi, what kind of pet did George decide he wanted to get for his birthday? Tamadala ko khari nyu decide chiso no need to look at the options. It's option A, turtle. Laso dos chiningan zitinda tawai. Laso linge taringi nyendo derang sami taringi nyendo linge sola pento po thuk to dos chunyo nyero chi ye ma pengi la subscribe na nyu ne injik subscribe na ne pero na Instagram do la yang follow nangi me pa ina ni handle dire de page pe chisine na do ina follow na ro nang lin shwe laso linge sang man chaw po chini shuko manjing yem de inji jani shuru na